China is famous for its cuisine, delicious food, and food culture. You may heard that Chinese even eats dog and cat. There is a joke in Hong Kong. It is
所有背脊向天有4隻腳嘅嘢，除咗枱凳，中國人都會食。所有背脊向天有4隻腳嘅嘢，除咗枱凳，中國人都會食。
It means Chinese eats everything with 4 legs which back is facing to the sky, except table and chair. There are at least 28 ways of cooking in China. They are. Most of them are related to heat treatment of food. Some of them are similar, but may have a slight difference. And I don't fully understand and may not tell you clearly. This time and in the other 2 videos, I will introduce the most common ways used in Cantonese cuisine. The characters of those ways are verbs. When the characters combine with the words of food, the new words may become nouns. If not, I will tell you the character can only be used as verb in those combinations. The first character is
煮。
It means cook or boil. It is a general term. You can even use it when you don't know how to say the way of cooking. For example,
煮飯。煮餸。煮菜。我哋今晚冇煮飯，去咗餐廳食飯。我哋今晚冇煮飯，出咗街食。你識煮乜嘢餸啊？
Next is
煎。
meaning pan fry. For example,
煎蛋。煎魚。煎牛扒。尋晚我媽咪煎咗條魚。尋晚我媽咪煎咗碟煎魚。
Another cooking way is
炒。
It means stir fry. For example,
炒飯。炒麵。炒菜。炒魷魚。
meaning fried squid. Or there is another meaning. It is to fire or terminate someone from a working place.
我鍾意炒飯。我炒緊菜。
The last character is
炸。
Most of young people like this cooking way. It is deep fry. For example,
炸雞髀。炸春卷。炸薯條。如果食得太多煎炸嘢，你就要飲返啲涼茶。
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.